Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about how to draw the logic circuit for a given expression. Okay, ma? So now, in this class, we are discussing about axioms and laws of Boolean algebra. Okay, ma? In this, we are having some theorems. Based on the theorems, we are trying to minimize the given expression. Okay, suppose if expression is given, that expression will be having long length. That means so many terms are there. Then how to decrease? That means how to compress that expression. Okay, Amma. So that will be known by using the theorems. Okay, that's why all of you listen these theorems now. Axioms and laws of Boolean algebra. That means these are dependent on gates only. Okay, ma, these axioms and axioms in the sense rules. Okay, these laws are depending on logic gates. What are logic gates? Generally basic gates are and, or, not. Okay, ma, and, or, not. Okay, totally the theorems based on these gates only, and all of you learn the truth tables for all the gates. Okay, ma, truth tables. See here, first we recollect what are the basic gates and what are the truth tables here. Then we start the Boolean algebra theorems. Okay, ma? See here, basic gates. Basic gates means here, if you are taking two input AND gate, this is the two input AND gate. If the two inputs are A and B, here these inputs are vary. Suppose if you are taking X and Y, that way also you are taking the inputs. Okay, ma? Here A and B are two inputs. That's why Y is equal to A dot B. Okay, ma? The expression for the AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B. Suppose if X and Y are the two inputs, then what is the output here? The output, this will be changed. Okay, because here Y is taking as input. That's why what is the output? X dot Y. Okay, ma, X dot Y. Depending on the variables, input variables, we are getting the output. Okay, ma. So this is the truth table for AND gate, like multiplication. Okay, next OR gate, two input OR gate, A, B. Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, ma. That means this is like addition. Okay, four combinations are having two inputs. That's why four combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So you are getting 0 1 1 1. Okay, ma. So not gate means that is also called as an inverter, because we are getting the output complement of the input. Okay, if A is 0, Y is equal to A bar, that is 1. If A is 1, then the output Y is equal to A bar, that is 0. Okay, ma, complement of the input. Then that is a NOT gate. Okay, now we are having theorems based on these gates. Okay, so here you remember the truth tables, then only you are easily understand the theorems based on these gates. Okay, ma. So now these are universal gates, special gates. Here, see here. First one is laws based on a NOT gate. That means complementation laws. Complementation laws. Okay, ma. Complementation laws means this laws belongs to NOT gate. Complement. Complement means that will be equivalent to NOT gate. Okay, ma. Here, what is known? Suppose if you are taking 0 as input to the NOT gate, then what is the 0 bar? What is 0 bar? That means complement of 0. That is equal to 1. Okay, Amma. Next, suppose if you are taking input as 1, the complement of the input, complement is taking as bar. Okay, ma. So that is equal to 1 bar. That means the complement of 1 is, what is the complement of 1? 0. Okay, ma. Here, what is NOT gate? This is the NOT gate symbol. The input is A and the output is A bar. Okay, ma. This will also be taking as A dash also. Okay, both are same, the representation. Okay, so 1 bar is equal to 0. Next, if A equal to 0, what is A bar? Already in truth tables we learn A equal to 0, then A bar equal to 1. Okay, ma? Next, if A equal to 1, then what is A bar? A bar equal to 0. Okay, already we know this. Here, A bar bar. What is this value? A bar bar. That means we are applying complement 2 times. Then that will be equivalent to the same variable. A bar bar equal to A. Okay, ma. A bar bar equal to A. That means that we'll also be taking as A dash whole dash. Okay. Okay, ma. These are the laws we are using in complementation laws. That means depending on the NOT gate, we are getting these laws. Okay, na? So we know the table also, truth table. That is A bar from this only. If A is two combinations, only one input is there. So two combinations 0, 1. If A is 0, A bar is 1. If A is 1, A bar is 0. Okay, ma? That you understand this? Now we are taking the next gate, that is AND gate. Okay, ma? Shall I erase it? No erase. So now we are taking the laws which are belong to AND gate. That means AND laws. How many inputs are there in AND gate? Are you remember the gate symbol? Two inputs, A and B. Very, very important. These theorems are very, very important. This is the symbol for AND gate. To simplify the Boolean expressions, these theorems are very useful. That's why, so all of you listen. A dot B, Y is equal to A dot B. That means this is equivalent to multiplication operation. What is the truth table? A, B, A dot B. So how many combinations we are having? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 0 1 1. What is the output here? At 0 0 0, at 0 1 0, at 1 0 0, at 1 1 1. Okay, ma, are you remember the table? Now we take the loss. Which loss we are taking? Okay, ma. The first one is A dot 0. A dot 0. That means based on this truth table, if any one of the input is 0, if any one of the input is 0, then what is the output here? What is the output? Here see, 0 0, the output is 0, 0 1, the output is 0, 1 0, the output is 0. Okay, that means if any one of the input is 0, then the output is 0. So here A dot 0, A dot 0. That means what is the answer here? You will be getting 0. Okay, ma? Are you understand? Or anything, any value is multiplied with 0, then what is the result we are getting? Any value is multiplied with 0, then what is the result we are getting? 0. Okay, ma? Next one is A into 1. So what is this value? This also known. A into 1. Any value is multiplied with 1, then what is the value we are getting? The same number. That means the same variable A. Actually, in this, how to discuss this law means, see here one input is 1. This is fixed. This is fixed. One input is 1. Where the inputs are fixed here. So, see here, take the second variable is taking as 1. Okay. The second variable B is taking as 1. So, that means at which positions B is taking as 1? At this position, at this position. Okay. So here, see, observe the values for A. If the value for A is 0, then what is the output? 0. Next, this position. So if your value of A is 1, then what is the output? 1. That means if these ones are there, that means that out of the two inputs, one of the input is 1, then whatever the A input, that will be getting as output. Okay, ma? Whatever the A input, that will be getting as output. Are you understand here? Now, the next one is A into A. A into A. Generally in mathematics, what we can write A into A means A square. But that is not correct here. These are belongs to logical operations. Okay, ma? These are belongs to logical operations. A into A means what is here? A into A means here. A is 1. B is 1. Okay. Then what is the output? 1. Okay. That's why here A into A is equal to A. Okay. Remember this, not the A square. This belongs to logical operations. Okay. This belongs to logical operations. That's why A into A equal to A. And here, how to justify this theorem here? How to justify this theorem here? A into A. That means the same variable is multiplied. A into A. Here, if you are taking 0 into 0, then what is the output? 0. If you are taking 1 into 1, what is the output? 1. Okay, Amma? Based on this truth table, we can get A dot A equal to A. Next, A dot A bar. A dot A bar. These are very, very important. Okay, Amma. A dot A dot A bar is equal to 0. Why? Why we are taking this theorem? A into A bar equal to 0 means take this Okay, A into A bar equal to 0. That means if A is equal to 1, then what is A bar? 0. What is 1 dot 0 value? What is 1 dot 0 value? 0. Okay, Amma. Suppose if A is 0, then what is A bar? 1. What is 0 dot 1? 0 dot 1 value is 0. Okay. So both are zeros. That's why this will be correct here. Okay. A dot A bar equal to 0. A into A. A into A is equal to A. Okay, Ma, you understand? The last belongs to AND gate. Next, OR gate. Next, OR gate. OR loss. OR means that will be equivalent to addition operation. OR loss. Here, what is the symbol for this OR gate? If we are taking two inputs, A and B, A, B, the output is A plus B. Okay, ma. So what is the truth table here? A, B. Based on the truth table only, we are getting these theorems. Okay. A plus B. Two inputs are there. So how many combinations we are getting? 4 combinations. 0, 0. 0, 1. 1, 0. 1, 1. This will be equivalent to addition operation. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Because this is belongs to logical operation. Okay, ma? Logical operation. So now what are the theorems here? What are the theorems belongs to OR gate? That means the first one is A plus 0. What is A plus 0? This is known for us. Okay. A plus 0 means A. Okay. A plus 0 means A. Next, A plus 1. A plus 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, ma. So these theorems are very, very important to simplify the expressions. Okay, remember these theorems. And how to get these theorems also learn. Okay, A plus 1 is equal to 1. How to get this? A plus 1 equal to 1. See here, A plus B. Suppose if you are taking A plus B. What is B value here? 1. B value is 1. Okay, so see the truth table here. At which positions B is 1? At which positions B is 1? At this position, at this position. Okay, ma. So here, see what about the position of A, status of A. If A is 0, what is the output? 1. Okay. If A is 1, what is the output? 1. That means if one of the input is 1, okay, that is B equal to 1, whatever the A value, whatever it may be, whatever it may be a value, the output is constant, that is 1. Okay, ma? A plus 1 equal to 1. Very, very important here. Okay, A plus 1 equal to 1. How to get this means, here another input A plus B. If you are assuming like A plus B, B value is 1. Take the position set B is equal to 1 here, here. So what about A here? A is 0. The output is 1. A is 1. The output is 1. That means any one of the input is 1. The output is must and should 1. That is not dependent on another variable, whether it may be 0 or 1. Okay, ma? Whether it may be 0 or 1. Next, A plus A equal to A plus A equal to A. A plus A equal to A. That means, see the table here. A plus A. Here both are same inputs. Both are same inputs. A plus A means both are same inputs. That means if 0, 0. 0, 0 means same inputs. So what about the output? 0. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Same inputs. What about the output? 1. That means here, if you are taking same inputs and do the OR operation, then we are getting the same output. Okay, ma? That is getting from these two combinations only. From these combinations, 0, 0, output is 0. 1, 1, the output is 1. Okay, ma? Are you understand? So the next one is A plus A bar. A plus A bar is equal to 1. Very, very important. A plus A bar is equal to 1. How to get this? A plus A bar. That means if you are taking A equal to 0 plus, what is A bar? A is taking as 0. What is A bar? 0 plus 1. Suppose if you are taking A as 1, what about A bar? 0. That means see the combination, see the truth table here. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means this combination. 0 plus 1 means what is the output? 1. Okay. Next, 1 plus 0. That means this combination. What is the output here? 1. Okay, Amma? That means at both the combinations, we are getting the output as 1. Okay. That's why A plus A bar is equal to 1. Okay, Ma? Are you understand? So these are belongs to OR laws. So complementation laws, AND laws, and OR laws. So all the laws coming from the truth tables only. Okay, if you remember the truth table, then you will write these theorems. Okay, ma. Now, next one is commutative law. Are you understand this? Here, remember this, A plus 1 equal to 1. A plus, this is known, no problem. Okay, this is known for us. A plus 0 means A. In mathematics also, we are doing the same. Okay, A plus 1 means 1. This is in logical OR only. A plus A. Actually, in mathematics, how this will be taking A plus A means 2A. But that is not here. Okay, this belongs to logical operations. That's why A plus A equal to A plus A bar equal to 1. Okay, ma? A plus A bar equal to 1. Okay, these are the laws here we are taking. Next one is commutative laws. Commutative laws. Commutative laws means here, this belongs to AND operation and OR operation also. Okay, ma? AND operation and OR operation also. Suppose if you are taking AND operation, then how the expression will be taking? A dot B is equal to B dot A. Okay, na? This is called commutative law for AND operation. Suppose for OR operation, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, ma? A plus B equal to B plus A. Is it right or not? So now this will be justified here. How to justify? So take the, first take this. A dot B is equal to, first calculate A dot B, LHS. LHS, what is the symbol here? A dot B, AND gate. So this is, the first variable is A and the second input is B. Okay. What is the truth table? How that will be? A, B, A dot B. Okay. So how many combinations we are getting? 0, 0. 0, 1. 1, 0. 1, 1. That means, so what is A dot B now? 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 0. 0, 1, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 1. Okay, ma? This is A dot B. Now, what is, take the RHS now? Take the RHS here. B dot A. So, what is the symbol here now? This is B. A. Here the first input is B and the second input is A. So here B dot A. Okay, ma? Now B, first we are taking the input B, A, B dot A. This will be B. So the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What about 0, 0? 0 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, 0, 1 dot 1, 1. Observe these two, A dot B and B dot A. Both are same or different? Both are same. That's why these two are equal. Okay, ma? A dot B equal to B dot A. In the same way, A plus B equal to B plus A. Same. A plus B means how the symbol is taking. Okay, all of you try to practice these laws today. Okay, and write the notes by seeing the video. Okay, A, B are two inputs. The output is A plus B. Okay, so take the truth table. A, B, A plus B. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the output? 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. If you are taking B plus A, then also the same we are getting. Okay, here the inputs will be taking as here B, instead of this B, first input is B, second input is A. Okay, so here we are getting B plus A. The truth table is also same. First we are taking B, second input is A, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 combination you will be taking. Then we are getting B plus A is also same as this. Okay, ma? So this is about the commutative law. Okay, so now today all of you take the notes and practice these theorems. Okay, ma? So the next class will be continued in the next class. Okay. If you learn these theorems, then it will very easy in the next topics. That means that is simplification of expressions. Okay, ma? Simplification of expressions. So to do the problems on that topic, you feel very easy if you learn these theorems. Okay, all of you practice these theorems compulsory.